Do you want to know how you can change the notification settings on Kik Messenger? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open Kik Messenger on your phone. What you need to do next is click on your profile, which you see on the top right hand corner. After you have clicked your profile, you could scroll a bit down and you can find notifications. Go ahead and tap on notifications and you can see some of the things which you can change, which are in-app alerts, mute new chats. So you can tap on in new alerts and you can see that if you click on the first option, it will directly take you to the system notifications. So you can change the sound, you can keep it on silent, or you can see if you want to turn on or off the vibration, you can do that as well. And you can also see that you can change the lock screen settings notifications. So you can see you can hide the contact and do not show notifications at all. So you can also enable or disable the app icon badges over here. So you can easily enable or disable the notifications. And the other thing is mute new chats. So if some random people are trying to contact you, they will be muted. The message will come, but the notifications won't. So you can go ahead and enable or disable this as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can change the notifications on Kik Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.